Fuel, land, ocean and water. Rainwater is the main source of all fresh water on earth. Rainwater fills on lakes, rivers and underground.
Okay, so now this is time for the class 7. So here we have Zenila. So can you tell me what are the thing you have hologram 3D model? So how it works?
So it works by reflecting the.
So what do you have right now?
So what is it?
Okay, so
So
3D
like
art.
So 3D
Now this one?
types of motion.
Okay, tell me.
This is oscillatory motion, rotatory motion,
Rotated motion.
and this is circular motion.
Okay.
This is vibratory motion,
Okay.
and this is linear motion. Data types of motion.
This one?
So this is a
This is-
mathematical balance. So you want to try it?
Yes, you try it.
So if I put 1, 2, 3, 5. So it got
Okay, so we'll balance now. So that means you are putting 5 plus 1 will gives you 6. That's this side is 6. So that's why it will balance here, isn't it? So what do you call this is mathematical balance. Okay, so thank you. So by using the physics also. So what are the things?
So this is the balance that
What?
made by the waste bulb.
Wrist ball. And what is this?
So this is the kidney. This is the kidney that is in our body and it's located in the lower abdomen. And its function is that feed the blood and produce the urine. When the urine is that iota that coming from the heart and it carries the blood also from the heart and it gives to waste materials, waste product into the renal artery. And this renal artery gives to the kidney to filter the blood and impel the waste product. And it's also produce the urine and this urine passes through the ureter and gives to the urinary bladder. How this urine forms?
Okay. So this is your urine.
Yes.
Think about that. Water.
What?
No, that means it is on the kidney only. Okay, so the urine is coming out from here. Okay, thank you. So this is from class nursery and KG. So what is your name? Yours. So what you have made this one? Can you explain it? This one? What are this thing? Sunflower. This is? This one? This one? And this one? This one? Okay, that means you all. What? Okay. So what is this thing then? No, this one. Panda dustbin. So you have to put the wastage thing there. And what is this? This is Nepali hat. Anu Bhakta Acharya hat, isn't it? Okay. Thank you.
My name is Vedkumar. My name is Pritzati Moses.
So tell me, who has made this one?
Lachen.
This one, the house. And other things?
This Joel, this also Lachen. Vittiji, this Aradhya, this Joel, this Abhyar.
What is this? Sword. Oh, nice sword. Huh? Yours? So what you made then?
This is volcanic mountain based on the types of mountain.
And
This is waterfall based on the hidden pool. This is just a normal house which we teach.
okay, come here.
And this, it is based on Lucy meets Mr. Thomas, one of the chapters in our literature. And this is from Benoit. This is what we wanted to be.
Tell me your name.
My name is Suman Chudin.
Yours?
My name is Nadia.
So you are from class 5, isn't it? Okay, now tell me about your art and craft.
So we have made a small temple.
Temple.
Yes, sir.
This is temple.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is Ram Mandir. And this is a
Like a small windmill.
okay. That is snowfall.
Snowfall.
That means with
Snow. These are some
galaxy.
solar system.
Okay, solar system.
Water harvesting.
Water harvesting,
Some flowers.
flowers.
A park. A spring season, and in the front there are some wall hangings.
Very nice. This is very nice.
My name is Yuvraj. My name is
Yours.
Arnab Joshi sir.
Now just tell me about this one.
There are life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages. There are 8 caterpillar, pupa, and fly.
Okay.
First, butterfly lay eggs on leaf. It hatches into caterpillar, also called larva. Then it forms pupa. Then after that, it takes butterfly frogs. Thank you.
Then what? This one?
Seasons. There are 4 seasons. The first one is summer, rainy, autumn, and winter.
Okay. This one. Who made this pirate ship?
Alright.
Please tell me.
Summer is the hottest season of our year. We wear light clothes and we enjoy eating ice cream. The second one is rainy. The rainy
is the rainy
season
season.
comes. The rainy season comes after summer. The sky gets cloudy and we
Then?
use umbrellas and gumboot. Winter is the coldest season of our year. We wear warm clothes like sweater, jackets. The last one is autumn. Autumn comes after rainy season. The
Winter.
leaves on the tree fall to the ground.
Okay. Thank you. So who made this pirate ship?
Ashish.
Okay. Asi. So what is your name?
My name is Susan Miswas.
Okay. What is this thing?
It's an hologram box.
Okay. What box?
Hologram box.
Okay. Hologram box.
It
Then.
is a creative type of device.
Okay. Then how it works?
So it works. You have to keep your phone out at top of this box, and the lights from this keep reflects on the box to come in a one point, and it will show an image.
So I have to look from there. I have to watch from there. Means okay. So other than this thing,
This is not my
just frame only. Okay. Then.
Basically a smart city that we wanted to portray, and we wanted to show the people that how a smart city looks like, as because nowadays everyone desires to live in a smart city, and the smart city provides us with a lot of facilities. That is why the people nowadays we desire to live in cities like NYC, Sydney and all. So basically we wanted to portray that in order to make our city smart, what are the requirements that we require in our day-to-day cities. That is only the main achievement or main aims that we wanted to portray.
From this model.
Yeah, from this model. By
Okay. Can you tell me
representing-
on the one by one? Can you explain it?
Yeah,
all this
why
thing?
not? So this is a building that is having a helipad which has like a landing on the water.
This is a helicopter.
Yeah, this is a helicopter.
At the top of the building.
Yeah, at the side of the building
at the
we have
side
a
of the
helipad. And then now we come to the school. Now the school is the most important thing in a city because people we require education in order to do better in our life. And we have a small park also over here for the children. And then this is the basketball court. And the road comes here. Then at this side we have a super mall which we portray by showing that it has a visual representation like we see in the buildings in NYC and all. We have visual representation of ads like that we wanted to show it. Then we have a parking lot. Then over here we have a reservoir which shows like the water how it gets purified and then it gets stored, and then from the stored reservoir how it gets supplied to different homes. Then we have a highway over here which shows that basically why we need required highways in order to avoid the traffic and all. So it's the tunnel which shows that the highway goes through the tunnel.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, so you are from class 8.
Eight.
Can you tell me your name?
My name is Adrika Roy. My name is Shaini Chaudhary. My name is Rajshri Mujumdar.
Okay, so thank you for it.
My name is Arin Jana. I am from class 10.
Are you?
My name is Ravajit Pal. I'm from
Okay, so explain it everyone. Please.
First, we are starting with simple pendulum. Hopefully, we can see it in simple physics. Simple physics means it works upon conservation of force, the law of conservation. When we get applied force over here, it gets conserved over here, then it gets transferred to it. At a fixed point, it gets reduced, then it gets conserved over here, again it comes over here. It continues. Oh, in this thing, we could see it like simple periodic oscillation, but over here, we couldn't see it as we have less time and more people are there, so we have to show many things. But for now, if they want to see it, we will show how the things work. For example, these things are used in old age homes like clocks, whatever it is. So this thing is quite cool. Thank you.
Now this whole area is only about the reflection of light. Only simple physics. Mirrors are used. First thing is this periscope. Okay. The
Periscope.
things where our eyes can reach. From there, if you want to peek, you can peek from here. The things which are displayed here on the top, you can see from
Hopefully you guys know about law of
here. Okay.
conservation.
You can check.
So when I am applying force over
Okay,
here,
can you tell me where
it
this
is conserved
application
over.
works?
Then it gets
Application
transferred.
It's mainly used in
When
submarines,
it comes,
submarines
gets
and
zero.
in hilly
The
areas
potential
where our
energy
eye can
gets
reach.
converted into kinetic energy.
And
What are these things?
these all are these
Then it
three
gets
things are same. These are
conserved, then it
kaleidoscope,
comes up.
mainly used by
this
artists
it goes.
to show beautiful images, symmetrical patterns. Okay, you can see it from here.
Keep it here. Keep it here. Okay.
It will show beautiful symmetrical patterns, mainly used by artists.
Okay, so thank you. These are the things for the class 10. Okay, sir.
So this is a buzzwire game where you this stick this ring when it touches, now the buzzer comes and the LED goes. It's just a simple circuit. We have these batteries, LEDs, resistor and buzzer. So when it touches the string, so the circuit completes and the buzzer buzzes and the light glows. You want to try it?
Try, do you try?
See, you have to just take it like this. It touches, it goes.
So it's a game only actually. Okay, thank you. This side.
So this is a wind turbine. When the wind blows, it will spin the fan and there is a motor inside. Because the motor will spin with the help of the fan, the electricity will be generated and turn the light on. And this will be in large scale, it will help approx 5,000 to 15,000 houses average per year.
These are the things. This is NS55. What tell me your name?
My name is Pratik Shah from class 10. This we have made a model of water turbine which is mainly used in villages.
Okay.
We have just developed water pump which will just suck the water and fill up the tank. And from here the water will fall here and this will make this turbine rotate. So here the energy is transferred from kinetic energy to mechanical energy. And due to this generator present here, it will transfer the energy to electrical energy. And when it is connected to the house and there is a bulb fixed down here, so it will just light up the house.
Okay, so this is the source. Okay, to make the light actually.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So what is this?
It's a DNA. Basically, it's a fundamental unit of our life. The structure here, it's a double helical structure which, it resembles a ladder. And it was first, distinguished by Waston and Crick in 1953. DNA, it helps us to give us the information about our parenthood.
This much. This thing?
Sir, this is...
What is this actually?
Sir, this is a solution of water, salt and lemon. If we dip the snails inside it, the electricity will be generated.
That this is the solution of salt.
Lemon and water.
So can you drink this one? Okay, so then thank you.
My name is Devanshu.
Yours? Okay, tell me about this one.
This is the physical features of India. India has 7 landforms. First, that is the Himalayas. We have 3 parts in Himalayas. That is the Shivalik, the lower Himalayas, which has an elevation of 1,200 meters. And the second part is middle Himalayas, which has an elevation of 1,800 meters. And the highest, the upper part is like Himadri. The first part,
Highest mountain.
highest mountain
Mount
in the
Everest.
world is Mount Everest.
Second highest.
Second highest in second highest in
That is K2 only.
That is
second
K2.
highest. And third highest Kanchenjunga. But you don't know about this one also.
and the largest peak in India,
Yes.
that is Kanchenjunga. And like most of the people think that K2 is a part of Himalaya, but no, it is not a part of Himalaya, it is part of Trans-Himalaya. And in this area, Shivalik, like most of the people live here, and Karshan and Darjeeling is also a part of this area. And this middle Himalayas, most of the time it is covered with snow. And the upper Himalayas is just like for Mount Everest and all. And then we can come in the hard desert. Like it is most of the time it is covered with dunes and all sand dunes, and the Parkland dunes are common here. And
These are the rivers.
rivers.
This is a Deccan Plateau. I think this part is the Deccan Plateau.
This part is the Deccan Plateau.
This is Chota Nagpur, this is the Deccan
Chotanagpur
Plateau.
Plateau.
And this is Malwa Plateau.
This is the Malwa
Malwa
Plateau.
Plateau.
This is the Chota Nagpur. And this is Deccan Plateau. Plateaus are rich in minerals, and this is the oldest land of India.
Oldest land form. And this is the northern plains.
Mountain plains are important for the
Agriculture of India. Because in this northern plains there are some rivers like Yamuna, Ganga and all. As you
Deccan Plateau we can see Krishna River.
and Deccan Plateau, which we can see the Godavari river and the Krishna, which comes from the Bay of Bengal. And in this part of the Deccan Plateau, there is Tapti river and the Narmada, which comes from the Arabian Sea. This is the Aravalli range. And, this,
Okay.
Andaman and Nicobar.
and this is the eastern coastal plain, and this is the western coastal plain.
Okay. Okay, so thank you.
Sir, like it's an ATM machine and automated teller machine. It's an electronic machine that allows the customers to perform basic financial transactions, and we know that we can like withdraw cash instantly. And it was firstly invented in London in 1967, and after that in India by 1987 by SBI, like Hong Kong and Shanghai Bank Corporations.
You can try, sir.
So how it works?
You have to put over here to get the coins.
Coins? You have to put the coin.
Yeah, like, no, you have to put the card inside, sir. You
one?
get coins, yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Take it out.
Then after that, what happens?
Take it out.
Take it out.
You get the coins.
So coin is not coming out on
Sir,
it.
you can try this one, like
So you get cash.
try like this.
Here also slide.
Yeah.
Okay. Without entering the pin also it's come out.
Yes, sir.
How much I got that?
200 maybe.
Sir, you can't open it.
You can open it. So what is this? From
Stay.
ATM you are getting 10 rupees also.
Yeah.
And what is this thing?
So our model is based on investment for the student in India. How a student can invest in day-to-day life. Our student thinks that we need to only the investment are only for the adults one, but no, it's wrong. Here are some 5 steps that they can follow for investing.
So I will explain the 5 steps. First of all, from saving up from the pocket money. Even if you get every week 200 rupees, you can save 10 rupees, 50 rupees, and you can open a bank account, a saving bank account, and you can just put it in there. In SBI, HDFC, they give 3 to 4% interest in every year, and then you can open an RD account. You can deposit in a fixed date. You can deposit in like 100 to 100 rupees minimum, and then even you can invest it into like mutual fund, SBI, and then you every year, even if they give 10%, you can get 1 lakh minimum out of that, and then the students will know how to be there. When they will become adult, they will know how to become financially independent on themselves, and they will know how to save their money or use their money.
And at the end, we say that everyone thinks that we need to become rich. We need to be rich after investing, but no, because we become rich after investing.
So what does this tree represent?
It represents that you can be financially independent and on yourself and know how to save your money.
It's like the money plant?
Yes.
Okay.
Money tree.
Money tree, sorry. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ankana Mukherjee from 11th Science. So this is eddy current disorder.
Tell me your name.
My name is Sadhna Rao from 11th Science. So this is eddy current disorder, which are generally used in buses and trains.
Where?
Buses and trains.
Okay, why?
To reduce down its speed. The wheels are generated, then it's rotating with the help of motors, and electricity is produced here from that battery. Okay. So we all know that aluminium doesn't attract to magnets, but with the help of this, we can reduce its speed.
Okay, this is your aluminium foil, that means.
Yes, sir. It does not touches the thing. Yes, sir. From a distance, it reduces the speed. Actually, this is happening because of that electromagnetic field that generated around this when it's moving, and that these magnets are attracting that electromagnetic thing. So that's why it's reduced down its speed. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Short explanation only, not details.
So today we're going to talk about the food waste. Food waste, we're going to talk about one for developed nation countries, another for agricultural nation. So developed nation, we can say that our countries from North America and Europe. Okay, like USA, North America, Canada, in America, North America, and the countries in Europe are like the developed nations are England, France. So I'm gonna talk about how they waste food, right? So first is like overbuying the products, you know.
Hey, now tell me about yours. What is this thing? First of all, tell me.
Plasma gun.
It is a small gun.
How it works? First tell me.
See, we put flammable gas inside that.
What flammable gas? That means?
Like ethyl alcohol.
ethyl.
A mixture of ethyl alcohol, butane, propane, and isotane.
Okay.
So when you put it and like when you light it up, okay, so it goes and it accumulates over this small area, like for few seconds, and like since it accumulates over a small area, since the area is low, the pressure increases.
Okay.
And since the pressure increases, and after that the volume increases here, so it comes out with a burst. The speed is closer to the speed of sound wave.
Foam experiment.
जोर से मारी तरह से नहीं कुछ रहा
No, wait.
I think it is finished now.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so thank you.
It's a brilliant drawing by Leonardo da Vinci, the great artist of Renaissance. It's done on the year of 1495 to 1498. Now it is located in the convent of St. Maria Delegates in Italy. It depicts the moment exactly after when Jesus has announced that one of his apostles will betray him. This is the masterpiece of Leonardo da Vinci because of his masterful conception, the use of perspective, the emotions of the human figures, and his experimental techniques make it fertile over time. Thank you.
Thank you. This art was made by you only.
Yes.
So it is a very nice one.
Thank you.
This what is the thing?
This is the human seal that was used for administrative and trade purposes in the Indus Valley civilization. And it is made of steatite or clay-like structure, which was in Egypt it was like stone, and this is offering to this animal, and we don't know it is a existing animal or not, but it is a mythical creature, and historians still debate about this.
Explain it.
I'm Shavik, representing class 9, and this is an experiment to show that the dirty water gets purified.
Okay.
This is a sewage water treatment plant, where dirty water from different pipelines gets collected over here, and then it flows into this tank. Screening and breach chamber where plastic materials gets separated with the help of these units. After that, the separated water moves into this tank where the oil, floating materials and grease, they float up by nature, and then the bottom water gets flown into this tank. The sand, gravel, they form a layer of sludge, and about 60 to 70% of water gets purified over here. After that, it moves into this tank. This tank is called aeration tank, where air is pumped into the water and it helps aerobic bacteria to grow. Those aerobic bacteria help us for free because they kill all the harmful substances. They make it harmless. After that, it moves into the secondary sedimentation tank, where activated sludge forms again in this tank, and then it flows into the filtration chamber where the water gets filtered, and then it moves into the disinfection chamber where with the help of chlorine and UV light rays it helps to disinfect the water, and then it moves into the distribution chamber. But before the water is distributed, it first gets tested in this lab, in my lab. It checks the acidity of water, and it checks the purity of the water. It checks whether bacteria or harmful substances are present or not. And then all of this setup is being controlled by this lab. With this control room. The flow of water is controlled by control. And then finally, when the water is tested, the water gets distributed into this agricultural field. Where
Oh, thank you.